Good morning! Welcome to Ti22. I'm James and welcome to my little YouTube channel where we talk to you about the jobs we've been doing and show you some stuff on the cars that we've been doing it to, I guess. So, with me out the way, take a look at this beautiful 964 Carrera 4, which is owned by one of my really good customers. And has been brought in for what I would call an enhancement detail. Just a lovely car. I filmed one of the videos that's been watched the most on this channel is my little video I did ages ago where I just took a torch around the car that had some paintwork. And I did that just as an illustration for you guys so you can check your own paint, and there's different types of scratches and defects that obviously tell a tale to us detailers and about different things, and that was one of those ones that told the tale. You know, there was a difference between general wash marring and holograms from a body shop. So I filmed another video on this car which is like a follow-up to that one, because lots of people said on that one, well, okay, great, thanks for showing us, but how do you fix them? So I filmed another one on this which just shows how easy it is to fix those scratches actually. And really the thing that I love about this car now, this finish, is just pops ridiculously. And that's what happens when we go to the nth degree. I suppose it's called detailing, that's why we do it. But when you go to that nth degree, it really just gives it that whoa finish, which I think should be done, and it's not difficult to do. So, you know, when you have some paintwork done or that sort of thing, it's always worth just taking a torch or a bright light. Your mobile phone torch isn't good enough, but really like a 200 or 300 lumen torch you can buy from Amazon for 10 quid will do the job. And if you see those sort of holograms in there, they can be removed by a skilled person, as you'll see on that film. Don't want to go into it too much here, but yeah, go and have a look at that film. It's like a real-time version of how we can do it. So that's what was done on this car. Love a 964 as well. Isn't it interesting how, you know, these were the unloved ones. You could pick up a 964 for not much money. For years they were the cheapest. They were like the 996, weren't they, of the sort of air-cooled Porsches. But I think they're such a cool shape. I really, really like them. So we go over here, you can have a little look. So this has had, you know, really my most basic service, which is an enhancement detail. You know, with detailing you can either fix the quality or you can fix the price, and this is like a fixed price service really. It's about 10 hours worth of work, and really we do the best we can in those 10 hours. So it's normally about 6 hours worth of machine polishing, because we've got a couple of hours on the wash process and the decontamination and the claying, then a lot of machine polishing, and then probably another couple of hours dressing the tyres, cleaning the wheels. This has had a bit of an interior scrub because it's got the light interior. Just done some work on the carpeting there. And a final layer of wax, which just on this sort of colour, car doesn't do mega miles, really gives it that super duper pop. So, like I always do, I will pull the camera off and then just put a bit of music, and you can just have a closer look at the car. With a sort of from a moving point of view afterwards. But yeah, what a lovely thing, beautiful 964. There are some panels, you know, it's obviously had a significant amount of paint in its time, 1992, 93 car this is. But it's all been done to a high standard actually, it blends in really, really nicely. Love doing jobs like this, love bringing the most out of these cars because it wasn't bad when it came in actually, but I just knew there was more we could get from the finish. So yeah, without boring you anymore, I'll show you the nice pictures of the car and put some music over. So thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, you've just found my little channel, it'd be amazing if you could subscribe, or if you want to just comment on you're liking this sort of video or you're not, or the other video was good. Tell me what sort of stuff you want to do. Here I am, you know, like always, the customer's going to pick the car up in a minute, and I've just got a camera for 10 minutes. So anything I can do, maybe you want to know more about products and processes actually, maybe you're just happy with this. I don't know. So I just do this really as it's better than a couple of pictures and a bit of a description. I can bore you and talk to you a bit more about the job, and then you can see a moving image of what we've done. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy that. Hopefully you enjoy looking at a really nice Guards Red 964. And we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell if you're not there already. Shows YouTube that I'm doing stuff people want to see, and it helps. That means they show my video to more people and stuff, which is cool. So thank you very much, and yeah, enjoy some pictures and some nice music of this beautiful 964.